Hi, I'm Mark Fisher with Lincoln Electric's Advanced Technology Products Group. I'd like to discuss HyperFill, robotic programming and setup. First topic we'd like to cover would be tool center point. The water-cooled Magnum Pro torch comes with a single wire tip. The easiest way to set up TCP would be to remove the tip and tip holder from HyperFill, clip our wires or retract, install our single wire tip, and program TCP as normal. Keeping in mind that we want to program our TCP with the stick out we're using to weld, which with HyperFill would be 1 inch. Reamer considerations for HyperFill. The only thing that changes between HyperFill and a single wire process would be the reamer bit itself. It's a larger diameter nozzle and a different tip holder and tip. When it comes to clipping HyperFill, the consideration is exactly the same as single wire. A best practice is to bring the robot into position over the clipping station. Clip, pulsing the DO, leave the clipper closed, move the robot, then open. We don't have the risk of magnetism on the wire, keeping it hanging to the previous wire that was there, and we don't run the risk of that wire that could be hanging interfering with a touch routine if that's the next step in the process. Electrodes stick out, work angle and travel angle are additional items we always want to take into consideration for any process, not just HyperFill. The primary differences between single wire and HyperFill. HyperFill, we need to use a 1 inch stick out. We also want to look at our work angle and our travel angle. For a 2F position, typically we're going to favor about a 35-degree work angle, whereas with the single wire process, we'd be at a 45. Travel angles are essentially the same as what they would be with a single wire. We're looking for a 10 to 15 degree push. One more topic we want to touch on is in a 1F or 1G position. You're not retraining all of your robot programmers. The only consideration would be the additional 1 inch stick out. Work angles and travel angles stay exactly the same as any single wire process. Successful implementation of HyperFill comes down to simple building blocks, good parameters for a 5/16 weld, 20 pounds an hour at 20 inches a minute. We've got 3 settings that we'll show you for 035, 040, and 045. You take these and build upon these parameters, you'll have a successful HyperFill installation. For more information on HyperFill or Lincoln Electric's extensive portfolio of welding and cutting needs, please visit lincolnelectric.com.